Welcome to our new series. This is just two jabronis cooking. So Ronnie, what are we gonna do in this series?
We're making lots of food, kind of like our homemade recipes, a little twist maybe. It's just our recipes. Like
Just two jabronis making it up as we go along.
Yep, just making it up.
We're home all day. We have to make our own lunches, and sometimes it's not food, so we just experiment. So we're gonna bring that experimentation and share it with you. So Ronnie, what are the jabronis making today?
Making our homemade pasta sauce.
It's something that I've done since the kids were little. Ronnie, you,
Yes, I prefer. It's really good. It's a tradition.
and we love it. We're gonna have to get some bread, so while this is cooking, someone will run up to Publix, which is our supermarket, get some bread, because the one thing you have to do when you have homemade pasta sauce is have bread. So let's go over the ingredients with everybody.
Alright, to start with our ingredient list, we have 6 cans of peeled plum tomatoes. Then we have 2 cans of tomato paste, and that's going to help thicken the sauce. Then we have our seasonings. The first one on the top left is 4 tablespoons of parsley. Then the one next to it is 4 tablespoons of basil. Then the one next to it is 4 tablespoons of oregano. Then we got 2 bay leaves and minced garlic. Then we have a whole onion we're going to chop up.
Yep. And this is just to start out. One thing that we like to do is, as we're cooking our sauce, we're gonna keep tasting it, make sure it's to our liking, and add more if we need to. So we're gonna start chopping this all up. The first thing we're gonna do is cook these in the pan just to give it some flavor. And we're gonna use this nice handy contraption to help us chop it up real fine.
Basically like a blender, but it just chops it up.
This should be pretty diced up. There we go. Look at that. All right, before we cook up the onions, we're gonna open up all these cans and we're gonna dump plump tomatoes in here. And you can see all the tomatoes, right? And what I like to do is just use my hands to break them apart. Just be careful because they do squirt. But we're gonna just break them apart. If there's any yucky stuff like this, we're gonna get rid of it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that for all of our cans.
Alright, we're gonna put some 2 cups of butter in. Just do this. There we go. And 2. We put butter in because it's gonna brown the bottom up a little bit. It's gonna help make the onions taste better. Alright, now I'm gonna put the whole onions. There we go.
And we're gonna cook this, saute it. And once it's sauteed, then we can start adding all the other ingredients.
So after we saute the onions, we're gonna put the tomatoes in. But first things first, make sure you put it down to low instead of if you had it on high or whatever you had it on, put it on low. Because you want to slow cook this. So I'm gonna dump these in. Just gotta be very careful. And the second one. Alright, up next, we got 2 cans of tomato paste. Scoop that in.
And we're just doing this to thicken the sauce.
All this in here. Now you get a more spoon. Just a little bit left.
So we'll do that for the other can, and then go from there.
Okay. just gotta stir this real quick. This is really what completes the sauce, in my opinion. Alright, now it's seasoning time. This is the fun part, in my opinion. So we're gonna go with some basil, bang. Oregano, bang. Parsley, bang. Minced garlic. Might need a little spoon for this real quick. Get all this extra stuff out. That's good. 2 bay leaves. And stir this up. All these are 4 tablespoons, by the way.
Except the garlic was 2.
Yeah, the garlic was 2. The bay leaves is just 2 bay leaves.
And feel free to adjust. We will adjust. We're gonna let this cook.
Let the taste. For last thing, our secret ingredient, we're gonna reveal. Honey helps the acid of it. Really good thing. I gotta make sure I don't put too much. I know a lot of people put sugar in tomato sauce sometimes. I guess honey's kind of similar to that because it's sweet, but we like honey better. Now, just to stir that up, we can put the cover on and let it cook. Alright.
And you see, we have it on low. How long do we usually let this cook for?
I think a couple hours, right?
Yeah, 2, 3, 4 hours.
Yeah, it's slow cooked.
Until the whole house smells like spaghetti sauce. So we'll continue to check on it and we'll show it. So we're just going to occasionally stir this. It's been cooking for about an hour on low. So we anticipate this will take another couple of hours. And then we can start testing it and see if there's anything that's we need to add.
Alright, it's been 2 hours since the sauce. We're going to check on it. We're going to blend it up a little bit. So we take it off. Oh wow. Look at that. Let me stir this down real quick.
Smells good.
It does. Alright. Let's blend it up a little bit.
Why are we blending?
So like blends all together, gets all smooth.
Yeah, because we use plum tomatoes.
Yes. So we have this thing. It's like a blender. Alright, blended it up. Just making sure there's no chunks, which I believe looks fine to me. Stir it up a little bit more though.
Pretty good.
It's pretty good. And I think I'm gonna taste test it now. Pull it out of my pocket. Somewhere in here. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's hot. It's really good though. It's got blow on it.
So I think this is the time if we need more seasoning to add it, right?
You might need a little bit more.
More what?
I don't know. You're the one that knows. Now it's his turn. Let's see.
Smells good. I think we should add a little bit more oregano.
Yeah, it's one. And it was the oregano or basil, whatever. One of them.
So we're gonna add a little bit more oregano, but this is where you get to decide how much more seasoning you want to add. So we're gonna add more oregano.
All right, we added 2 more things actually: oregano and some parsley. And I'm just gonna stir it back up and give it another taste to see if it's okay. my spoon out. I think it's good there. Pretty sure. Jabroni 1.
Okay, Jabroni 2. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Now, oh yeah. Extra oregano really did the trick. So we're gonna let this cook for another what, hour or 2?
Probably, yeah.
Should be good to go.
Alright, got our pasta here. Loaded up with sauce. I like a lot of sauce in my pasta, if I'm being honest. Especially if it's homemade. It'll make a nice presentation. More. Alright. Now I'm gonna get the cheese.
Sauce.
Now we're gonna review. Just 2 jabronis.
Really good.
Really good. This cheese on here is good too. That's what makes it. But nothing beats the sauce.
So we'll put the recipe that we used in the description. If you want to see more of these videos,
Check out our channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment what you want us to make next.
we do have another idea.
Do.
I think we'll try it next week.
Yes.
Can't wait for next week.
Yes. It's a surprise.
So this is just 2 jabronis cooking in the kitchen.